muli natin ang Panginoon. Maraming salamat kay Brother Christian, sa ating mga student dancers, sa ating mga participating dancers from amongst you, and to the Rockport Band. Palakpakan natin ulit sila lahat. Thank you very much, Father Roby, for the generous introduction. And thank you initially for inviting us again here in your beautiful, wonderful, generous university. Isang malaking karangalan sa akin na makabalik dito. At katunayan, ikatlong araw na po namin ngayon. Andito kami mula Miyerkules at damang-dama namin kahusayan, kaayusan, higit sa lahat, kagalakan at ang pagmamahal sa inyong paaralan. Lalong-lalo na nung nakasama namin yung mga bata sa loob ng 2 araw. First day, we were with the undergraduates. The second day, we were with the graduating students. And now, such an honor to be amongst co-educators, co-teachers, co-school workers and servants, and above all, co-friends of